Isn't this romantic?
Yeah, sure is. Oh, hey, cool. Shooting star. Make a wish.
I wish you would quit buying mufflers.
No, wait, sorry. That's an airplane. Never mind. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Daynator channel and another muffler testing video. Today we've got my 1997 Chevrolet Camaro RS with a 3800 Series 2 V6 motor, and we're going to be testing out the Cherry Bomb Pro. The Cherry Bomb Pro features a 100% welded construction. It is classified as a chambered muffler, or it has hollow chambers inside of it. It has a unique wing plate design, which means you have to put this on a certain way. It has a directional flow. It has a traditional or standard body size, has a gray finish, and it's recommended for car and truck applications. And according to Cherry Bomb's website, it does have an aggressive sound at about 90 decibels at 2000 RPM, giving it a sound level 8. Now, the Cherry Bomb Pro muffler is that chamber design, which is not unique to the market. There are several companies that make chambered mufflers, Flowmaster being one, MagnaFlow, Thrush. So there are quite a few options of chambered mufflers out there on the market, and they're not that expensive. They range anywhere from about 35 to 55 bucks and up. But for our purposes today, we're going to be testing out the Cherry Bomb Pro, a budget-friendly performance muffler that's going to give my Camaro a pretty good sound. Check it out. All right, so what do you think of the Cherry Bomb Pro on my 97 Camaro with the V6 motor? Let me know in the comments section below. Now, I have tested out a couple of different mufflers on my Camaro, and so far my two favorite have been the Cherry Bomb Turbo and now this Cherry Bomb Pro. I do have a few more mufflers that I'm going to try out on my Camaro, so stay tuned for upcoming muffler videos with this Camaro. All right, well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the channel. I've got plenty more muffler videos out there. And if it warrants your subscription, I greatly appreciate it. And hit that bell for notifications when I post new content. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure to hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.